To me, it's very simple. I do not set the minimum budget you need to spend on Facebook ads to get tangible results. I mean, to me, is if you can't get results with minimum spend, what makes you think that you can actually get better result when you spend more? You get what I mean? My philosophy is all about run ads, and then we gradually, like increase when we start seeing traction. And when we start seeing traction, let's say you run ads, you spend $20 a day, you start getting results coming in, you start getting sales coming in. By then, you'll be able to kind of like track and build benchmark on how much do you spend to get each purchase. So from there, we build benchmark and we confidently scale our campaign one step at a time. It's always important to have the foundation right. So get started, even it's $20 or even $10, just get started. But then again, what I really want to encourage here is getting started is the thing. You really want to pay attention to learn about how to determine your campaign, whether it's working or not. How do you take it to the next level? So my recommendation is this. Run ads, $10, $20. I don't really think that's really a problem. Go through the proper learning to help you get started by really learning the structure, the objective, and everything. You can actually go through the Facebook Ads Masterclass to go through that and learn. And then after that, once you have been running ads for a week or two, the next thing I would invite you to do is really you can actually schedule a 30 minutes Facebook Ads audit by me. Over that, we would actually spend 30 minutes over Zoom. You share a screen. I would actually look into your ads manager and I would help you build your ad dashboard. And I will tell you what have you done right or wrong based on the numbers and data. And I'll give you the recommendation on what you can do next to take your campaign to the next level. I think that's an essential learning every Facebook advertisers must go through. So if that's something that you're actually looking for, you can actually scan this QR code. Remember, run ads for at least a week or two, right? So once you have some data, scan this QR code. This will take you to my Fiverr gig, which, once you sign up and purchase, buy me a dinner, then we can actually have a 30 minutes discussion together to go through your campaign and to build an optimization plan to help take your campaign to the next level. So that's what I think that you should be doing. So yeah, don't worry about a minimum ad spend.